All right, guys, welcome back again. This is video number, was supposed to be number 3, but you have to have it due by Thursday, so it's percent composition. All right, so basically, percent is part over the whole times 100. Remember, you're doing these in Cornell style notes, so there's going to be quite a few examples, but percent means part over the whole. So make sure you have this in your journal. Percent by mass means that since we have the part over the whole, we have the mass of the element over the total mass of the compound. When I talk about total mass of the compound, I mean molar mass. And we learned how to do that. That's where you break everything apart and you add down. You multiply across and add down. Then you multiply it by 100%. So basically times 100 and you get your percentage. We use chemical formulas and we assume that there's 1 mole. Make sure you're writing all of this down. You divide the mass of each element by the molar mass of the compound. Okay? So, what does that look like? Well, if we have H2O, the first thing you're going to do is find your molar mass. We have H and O. And you have 2 and 1. Look on your periodic table. And you round to 2 decimal places. And so we get 2.02. We multiply it across and we add down. So our molar mass is 18.02. And then you take each individual piece. So like if I want to know the percent of hydrogen, I would take 2.02 and I'm going to divide it by 18.02. And I'm going to come up with an answer. And then I have oxygen, and I want the percent of oxygen. So I'm going to take 16 divided by 18.02. And then I'll get I forgot to do this, times 100, and that will give you your percentage. I don't have a calculator with me right now, so if you guys will do that, you'll find your percentage, okay? All right, so again, we have the percent composition of C6H12O6. When you do your molar mass, and this has been done for you, you have 6 carbons at 12. Ours, this should be 0.01. So this should be 72.06. We have 12 oxygens and that should be 0.01. So this should be 12.12. And then we have 16, which is 96. So first, find your molar mass. And your molar mass is about 180 grams. In this case, you would have a different number because of the rounding. Then we take, to find carbons percent, you take carbons, which is 72.06 divided by 180 times 100 will give you your percent. Hydrogen, same thing. 12.12 divided by 180 times 100 equals, and then oxygen would be 96. 96 divided by 180, times 100 equals. This would be your part, and the 180 would be your whole. So each little piece is your part, okay? And you guys can come up with the answer for this one. Oh, I already did this one. So 40%, 6.67%, and the last one is 53.3%. The thing you need to make sure is all your percentages add up to 100, okay? All right, so remember to calculate your molar mass. It will not be in a word problem, but we will have word problems. Sum of individual elements must add up to exactly 100. So make sure you have all of this in your notes, okay? And I believe that's the end, guys. It's a short video. Just remember, part over the whole. So go back. part over the whole. Okay, guys? All right, have a good night.